guys. So today I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset because it's very much needed. So I do have actually a really good excuse for this because my room, I never let my room get to this state. My excuse is yesterday I just came back from Poland and then literally pretty much straight away I had to get ready for my dad's company's Christmas dinner. So this is why it looks like this. So I thought it's a Sunday today. I'm going to do a vlog. I'm going to vlog a Sunday reset. So first of all, let's get ready. One thing I've been doing every single morning is been icing my, are you gonna focus? Icing my face with an ice cube because it just really helps with depuffing. And I also feel like it's really been helping with my acne because if you can't tell, my skin is not that clear anymore. I don't know what happened over the summer. Something happened and it activated an acne gene and now I have acne. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as it was, but it's not pleasant. Oh my gosh. This actually, like, this whole room gives me like PTSD being this dirty and messy. Like, it actually freaks me out. Oh, I just need to start cleaning. Okay, so it is time to do my makeup. I don't know about you, but I'm a person who gets very, please ignore my brothers in the back. Antic shush! But I'm a person who gets very easily overstimulated. Like, it's actually crazy how fast I can get overstimulated, and this is super overstimulating for me. The fact that my makeup is everywhere, it's not nicely sorted in my drawers, but it's okay. I have to stop complaining and actually just get ready and start cleaning. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and then we're gonna go for a walk, and then I'm gonna clean my room, and then I'm gonna work out, because usually I'd work out like now before I do my makeup. And even though I said that I don't work out fasted, I don't work out fasted when I go to the gym because I lift really heavy weights over there. But when I'm doing my weighted Pilates by Izzy at home, I never eat because it just doesn't work with my schedule and I need to wait at least like an hour after I eat to actually exercise, and then it's just like by that time I could have got so much done. I could have already exercised, and I feel good exercising fasted when it comes to Pilates and weighted Pilates. But I always eat before I go to the gym. I'm gonna try stop exercising, doing any type of exercise fasted because I know that that's bad. And I recently actually got a Dutch test done, which collects your urine and saliva samples and tests your hormone levels, so like cortisol, estrogen, progesterone and all that stuff. And let's just say my results were not ideal, and I need to take extra precautions and extra steps now in my daily routine to try and balance my hormones and put them in a place where they should be and should ideally be. So yeah, that is my plan. The other things that I want to do today is I want to pack some Christmas presents because Christmas is coming up and I've got a few gifts for my friends that I need to pack up for them. Can anyone else like not do makeup or talk to the camera because I have to be like full focus. I want to get my 10k steps in because when I was in Poland I was not getting my 10k steps in consistently. Like I was getting 10k steps, but like usually when I'm on holiday I get like 20k steps daily and everything, and then that kind of compensates for the lack of exercise. Because to me walking is not exercise. To me walking is just like a basic human necessity that everybody has to do no matter what. So 10,000 steps for me is what I usually get on top of doing like a weighted Pilates YouTube workout or going to the gym. So just 10,000 steps was not enough for me. If it was 20,000 steps I wouldn't be complaining right now. But I need to be getting like 10k steps in again, and I need to exercise. I'm really excited because I'm doing the Pilates by Izzy 25-day challenge, but obviously I'm not doing it consecutively every single day. That's how I would have loved to do it, but I'm not doing it consecutively every single day because why? Oh, because when I started it, I think about day 7 into the challenge, I got sick. That weird virus that is going around England right now, I got that. It was terrible. I wouldn't wish it upon my worst enemy. It was actually terrible. It literally held me for about a week. I couldn't go to uni. I missed out on about a week's worth of uni work. It was bad. This is my blush brush right now because the handle fell off. So yeah, I was sick, so obviously I couldn't do the challenge because I was literally dying in bed. And then I resumed it when I felt better, and I was doing it consecutively every single day because like I said, that's how I feel like you're gonna get the best results. And then I went to Poland for a week, so I've had another week's break, but I'm gonna go back into it. But instead of doing it straight in the morning fasted, I need to be careful with my cortisol levels and stuff like that, so I need to do it after I eat. enough rambling. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, get dressed, and then we can make breakfast together. Okay guys, I'm all ready now. This is my fit today. Everything is from Motel Rocks. This cute little oversized striped sweater. It kind of goes off the shoulder. And these are my favorite jeans ever. They're the roomy wide leg jeans.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Never actually had a breakfast like this, to be honest. But we've got scrambled eggs with some of this like smoked sausage that my granddad gave us when we came back from Poland. Mushrooms, green onions, tomatoes, paprika, salt, pepper, salad sprouts, seed sprouts, whatever you want to call it, avocado, and then some gluten-free sourdough bread. We're gonna just combine it actually. Okay guys, I'm back from my walk and it's time to clean up. Let's go. Show you something I got in Poland. I absolutely love it. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this cup is. Imagine drinking a hot chocolate or a tea or a matcha out of this. Star-crossed lovers are dim to lose. I can tell but I feel so alive. What a tragedy in disguise. Some kind of beautiful. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning my bedroom. Feels so much nicer, cleaner. My mental clarity is better. And what I want to do is I want to take my steak out because I want to make steak for lunch. I don't know whether I should have a sirloin or a ribeye. I think I'm gonna have a ribeye steak. These are my favorite steaks from Marks and Spencer's. They are also organic and grass-fed. So I'm gonna prepare this because I want to make this for lunch. It's probably a little bit weird, but I do not season my steak at all. Like, I don't put anything on it apart from Celtic sea salt after it's already cooked. That's a fun fact. I just love. If you cook a steak right, you don't need any seasoning on the steak. There you go, I'm just gonna open it up. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to work out. I'm going to do a Pilates by Izzy workout with resistance bands and weights, I think. But I'll show you guys which one it is. I think it's day 10 because I skipped it because I didn't have resistance bands. Now I ordered resistance bands so I can go back to it. Yeah, I think it's about like 40 minutes long. But after I work out, I'll have my steak nice and rested, ready for me to eat. Okay guys, I'm ready to work out. Let me show you my workout set. It's 98% organic cotton. And I've got Nike socks to go with it. I am gonna quickly have a little pre-workout. Open up the Medjool Day, take out the seed. Sorry about the background noise. Open this up, put a generous amount in the middle of the day. That much. I'm also going to add a little sprinkle of salt, extra energy and electrolytes. Okay, this is the workout I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing day 10, 35-minute full body power Pilates with weights and resistance bands. This is about to be brutal. Guys, it is time to make my lunch. Why is it actually such a mess in my kitchen? I'm really sorry. We're going to be making my steak that's been resting. I am cooking some sweet potatoes for me and my dad. So you've got purple sweet potato in there for my dad and normal sweet potato in there for me. And I'm going to do about 3 minutes on each side. I don't know where the thingies are. Where are they? Oh, I'm going to have to use the plastic silicone ones. Guys, do not use plastic ones. Use stainless steel, okay? These are not plastic, they're silicone, but still. 1 minute sizzling on here. I just have a steak, a bit of sweet potato and broccoli. And I love to put Celtic sea salt on my steak. gonna see how I cook the steak. I'm hoping for medium well. Let's try. That is a bit too much. It's quite a thin steak, so still really good and tender. After I eat this, I'm gonna go for a walk, and then when we come back, I'm gonna pack some Christmas presents. Hey guys, so this is basically turning into kind of what I eat in a day. It is really dark outside. I think it's like 5 p.m. and I've made myself a beautiful matcha. You can see this beautiful matcha. I never have matcha this late, but I just had a massive craving for it and I wanted to make it in my new little cup. But I'm gonna drink this and pack some Christmas presents because I have quite a few Christmas presents over there. I'm not gonna zoom in too far because people whose Christmas presents those are probably watching this video. But I'm going to drink this matcha, put on some Christmas music, and that is where I'm going to leave this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog today, please let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to record any more vlogs. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for all the support that you give me. I actually appreciate it so much. It means the world to me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.